Introduction to pecans as a nutritional powerhouse. When it comes to nutritious and delicious nuts, pecans are a true standout. Native to North America, these tasty treats are not only a versatile ingredient in many dishes but also packed with essential vitamins and minerals that can support your overall health. In this movie, I will delve into the nutritional profile of pecans, explore their numerous health benefits, share tips on incorporating them into your diet, and even provide you with some mouth-watering recipes to try. So, let's dive in and discover why pecans are a nutritional powerhouse you need to know about. Nutritional profile of pecans. Pecans offer a wide array of essential nutrients that can contribute to a well-balanced diet. They are an excellent source of healthy fats, particularly monounsaturated fats, which have been linked to heart health. These nuts are also rich in fiber, which aids in digestion and promotes feelings of fullness, making them a great snack option for weight management. Additionally, pecans are a good source of protein, providing essential amino acids that are necessary for building and repairing tissues in the body. Furthermore, pecans contain an impressive array of vitamins and minerals. They are particularly high in vitamin E, a potent antioxidant that helps protect cells from damage caused by harmful free radicals. Pecans also contain magnesium, which plays a crucial role in maintaining healthy bones and regulating blood sugar levels. Other notable nutrients found in pecans include manganese, zinc, and phosphorus, all of which contribute to various bodily functions and support overall well-being. We are grateful for your viewership of our movie. If you enjoyed it, we would be honored if you could consider subscribing to our channel. Your support enables us to produce more captivating movies for your enjoyment. Additionally, taking a moment to leave a comment would mean a lot to us. We sincerely thank you in advance for your support and feedback. Health benefits of pecans. Incorporating pecans into your diet can have a multitude of health benefits. Firstly, the monounsaturated fats found in pecans have been shown to help reduce bad cholesterol levels, thus lowering the risk of heart disease. Additionally, the high fiber content of pecans can improve digestive health and prevent constipation. The combination of healthy fats and fiber also aids in weight management by promoting satiety and reducing the risk of overeating. Moreover, the vitamin E content in pecans contributes to healthy skin and hair, as it helps protect against oxidative stress and damage caused by UV radiation. Pecans are also a natural source of antioxidants, which play a crucial role in neutralizing harmful free radicals and reducing inflammation in the body. This can have a positive impact on overall immune function and may help protect against chronic diseases such as cancer and Alzheimer's. Incorporating pecans into your diet. Now that you understand the nutritional value and health benefits of pecans, it's time to explore different ways to incorporate them into your diet. Pecans can be enjoyed in various forms, such as raw, roasted, or toasted. They can be used in both sweet and savory dishes, making them a versatile ingredient in your cooking and baking endeavors. One simple way to enjoy pecans is by adding them to your morning oatmeal or yogurt. You can also sprinkle chopped pecans over salads for an added crunch and nutty flavor. For a more indulgent treat, try incorporating pecans into your homemade granola bars or energy balls. The possibilities are endless. Experiment with different recipes and discover the unique taste and texture that pecans bring to your meals. How to toast pecans for maximum flavor. Toasting pecans enhances their natural flavors and adds a delightful crunch to your favorite recipes. Here's a simple method to toast pecans for maximum flavor. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Spread the pecans evenly on a baking sheet. Place the baking sheet in the preheated oven for about 8–10 minutes, or until the pecans are fragrant and golden brown. Be sure to stir the pecans occasionally during the toasting process to ensure even browning. Remove the pecans from the oven and let them cool completely before using them in your recipes. Toasted pecans can be stored in an airtight container for up to 2 weeks. Enjoy them as a standalone snack or use them to elevate the flavors of your favorite dishes. Delicious recipes using pecans. Now that you have learned how to toast pecans, let's explore some delicious recipes that showcase the versatility of these nutritious nuts. Candied pecans, a sweet and savory treat. Ingredients: 1 cup pecan halves, 1/4 cup granulated sugar, 1 tablespoon unsalted butter, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon, optional. Instructions. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. In a small saucepan, melt the butter over low heat. Add the sugar, salt, and cinnamon, if using, to the saucepan and stir until well combined. Add the pecans to the saucepan and toss to coat them evenly with the butter and sugar mixture. Spread the coated pecans on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake in the preheated oven for 10-15 minutes, or until the pecans are caramelized and golden brown. Remove from the oven and let them cool completely before enjoying this sweet and savory treat. Roasted pecans, a crunchy and satisfying snack. Ingredients: 2 cups pecan halves, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 teaspoon sea salt, 1/2 teaspoon smoked paprika, 1/4 teaspoon cayenne pepper, optional. Instructions. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit, 160 degrees Celsius. In a mixing bowl, combine the pecan halves, olive oil, sea salt, smoked paprika, and cayenne pepper, if using. Toss until the pecans are evenly coated. Spread the coated pecans on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Roast in the preheated oven for 15-20 minutes, or until the pecans are golden brown and fragrant. Remove from the oven and let them cool before serving as a crunchy and satisfying snack. Buying and storing pecans. When purchasing pecans, it's important to choose high-quality nuts to ensure the best flavor and nutritional value. Look for pecans that are plump, uniform in size, and free from any signs of mold or rancidity. It's also a good idea to buy pecans in sealed packages or from reputable suppliers to ensure freshness. To extend the shelf life of your pecans, store them in an airtight container in a cool, dark place, such as your pantry or refrigerator. Proper storage will help prevent the nuts from turning rancid and maintain their quality for an extended period. If stored correctly, pecans can last up to 6 months in the refrigerator or up to 1 year in the freezer. Conclusion. The many reasons to add pecans to your diet. In conclusion, pecans are not only a delicious and versatile nut but also a nutritional powerhouse that offers numerous health benefits. From their rich nutritional profile to their potential to support heart health, digestive health, and overall well-being, pecans are a valuable addition to any diet. Whether you enjoy them raw, toasted, or incorporated into various recipes, pecans can elevate both the flavor and nutritional value of your meals. So, why not start reaping the benefits of pecans by including them in your daily diet? Your taste buds and your body will thank you. Discover the health benefits of pecans, the nutritional powerhouse you need to know about. CTA. Incorporate pecans into your diet today and experience the delicious and nutritious benefits they offer. Try one of our mouth-watering recipes or experiment with your own creations. Your body will thank you for it. We are grateful for your viewership of our movie. If you enjoyed it, we would be honored if you could consider subscribing to our channel. Your support enables us to produce more captivating movies for your enjoyment. Additionally, taking a moment to leave a comment would mean a lot to us. We sincerely thank you in advance for your support and feedback.